Land surveying is extremely important. Whether it's as simple as you're trying to put up a fence and you just want to make sure that you're not installing it on your neighbor's property, or that maybe that you're not installing it so far back on your property that you're losing land. I've been working at Snyder for about 10 years now. And when we started, it was all GPS and total station that we would use. But nowadays, on any given day, you can see us using a high drone to get a surface on a lake or a creek or a river bottom. You'll see us using a drone to capture aerial surveys. We might be using 3D scanners. It's really changed a lot since I started just 10 years ago. So as far as different types of surveys, there's a lot of different types. We work on Alta NSPS land title surveys, which is where someone is looking to acquire a large piece of property and they want to make sure that there's no encumbrances or anything that would negatively affect the title on that piece of property. So they hire us to come out and survey it, and then we put together a drawing, and on that drawing we show any easements, encroachments, encumbrances, negative things affecting the title. Some other types of surveys we work on are easement plats, where there's for storm sewer, sanitary sewer, water main, temporary construction easements. We do a lot of things, and in every aspect that you wouldn't really think of, there's probably a land surveyor in the background. Whether it's a road being installed, there's a land surveyor there staking it out. Utilities, sanitary sewer, storm, water main. There's a land surveyor out there laying those out. The number one tool or thing that we rely on is our surveyors, because without having competent surveyors that know how to run all that equipment, it's really no good for us. So I think what I enjoy most about my work is just overcoming the daily challenges, working with our team to figure out what the problem is and come up with a solution for it. For the future of land surveying, I see it being very strong. I think there's always going to be a need for land surveyors. The advice that I would give to someone entering the field is to really pay attention to the small details, because over the course of a long career, it's really understanding the little things that go a long way and help to make a really good land surveyor.